Welcome to Keeping It Simple Crafts. I hope everyone is doing great. Today we're going to be tying a double bow. So this is going to be a quick and easy bow tutorial that you can use on wreaths, garlands, door swags, Christmas trees, any kind of decoration that you would like to add a bow. This is going to be a great tutorial for it. So I'm using 2.5-inch width ribbon with wire. You're also going to need some floral wire, and this is 20 gauge floral wire, and I picked this package up at Walmart. And you're going to need some zip ties, and this is just a 4-inch zip tie. And you're going to need your scissors for this bow. First, you're going to want to let out a tail, and this kind of depends on what you're making the bow for. And this bow would also be pretty on a gift or present. So if you love to tie pretty bows to put on gifts, this is a good bow tutorial for you too. So we're going to let out a tail, and I'm not going to let out a very long tail, just about a 6-inch tail, and I'm going to pinch it together. And also you'll want to use good quality ribbon with wire. So I'm pinching my ribbon together. I'm going to let out some more ribbon, and then I am going to just make a loop. So I'm going to slide my hand down it and then pinch it together, and I have formed my first loop, and I'm just adding it to my left hand. So here's my loop, and this is about a 5-inch or about a 4-inch loop. Then we're going to let out some more ribbon. Go the other side, same steps. Let out more ribbon, just fold it, pinch it together, add it to your left hand or right. Keep it pinched in the center. Check to make sure they're the same size. Okay, now if your ribbon has a design like this does, sometimes you have to do a half turn to keep the design on top. Same steps, just make another 4-inch loop. Check to make sure they're the same size. Now if you like to measure, this would measure 8 inches, and then you fold it back and you have your 4-inch loop. Okay, so we have 2 loops on the left, 2 loops on the right. Then we're going to let out our tail. Okay, just keep holding in the center. Now we're going to take our zip tie and wrap it nice and tight around the center of our bow. Now we're going to trim off the extra part of the zip tie. And then we're going to dovetail the ends, or you can leave them cut at a slant. So I'm going to dovetail them. So I'm going to fold my tail with my edges to the left side, go to the folded side, cut away from the away from the fold, and that makes the pretty V. So do it to both ends. So fold your tail in half, edges to the left, go to the folded side, cut away from the fold, that makes the pretty V, and you'll want sharp scissors. Now all we have to do is take our floral wire, and this is 20 gauge floral wire, go to the back of our bow, thread the wire underneath the zip tie on the back of the bow, and this way you can easily attach the bow to whatever craft project you're working on. You can add it to a wreath or whatever you're working on. And then now we need to fluff and shape our double bow. Okay guys, now we have a simple and beautiful double bow that's perfect for wreaths, garlands, any kind of DIY, gift wrapping, whatever you need a bow for. I hope this tutorial helps you. Thank you guys for watching Keeping It Simple Crafts.